Dear students, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. I hope you have completed homework of chapter 5, right? Good. Many of you have sent me, okay? And those who have not sent, please complete your homework and send it to me, okay? Fine. So today we are going to start chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay, so you all know what is weather. Okay, anyone can tell me what is weather? I don't want the exact definition, I just want to know the general idea of weather. चलो कौन बताएगा मुझे weather क्या है बेटा? What is weather? Yes, Varda.
Ma'am, weather is the our surrounding climate when raining weather and other weathers are called weather.
Okay, you can understand it, but exactly words you are not getting, that is okay beta. Okay, at least you can understand. Okay, the climate is a different thing. We will see about climate in detail in this chapter. Okay, now okay, I am giving some examples. Whenever there is a rain, what you are doing? You are putting all your stuffs in polythene bag. हाँ, आप अपने बुक्स नोटबुक सब पॉलीथीन बैग में रख के आते हो ना स्कूल में, क्यों? कि कहीं वो वेट ना हो जाए, राइट? ओके, whenever there is a summer, बहुत गर्मी है, what you insist? You want a fan. Okay, you will prefer to sit under the fan, right? Okay, and whenever there is a cold, then you are wearing sweater, okay, or overcoat, whatever. So see, there are many effects of weather. You have you heard that whenever the cricket match is starting, okay, before that some experts are discussing about the weather. Why they are discussing about the weather? Is that any role of weather in cricket match? Yes, Hiral? Yes, beta?
And when rain will come, so they do not do match. That's why.
Yeah. So that is the effect of rain, na? That means that is the effect of weather. Okay,
Yes.
cricket match. So a simple example, when there is a rain or there is too much cold, okay, sometimes we are canceling our prayer, our assembly. Okay, do you remember that? Sometimes we are doing that now. Father is announcing na, today's assembly will be in your class, right? करते हैं ना ऐसा announce बेटा mother. So why this is the effect of weather. So there, whenever there is a non-favorable weather, okay, so that time we have to cancel something, we have to postpone something, okay, we have to make some changes in our daily schedule. So in this chapter we will study about weather and climate. Okay, Shivam, you want to say anything beta? You have raised your hand, Shivam. Okay, good. Okay, so now we will see about weather. So sometimes you have heard about the weather condition or weather report on radio or in television also. You have seen na weather forecasting. Okay, yes, okay, like there is a shiny day today, or there is a possibility of heavy rain on tomorrow. Okay, like this type of news you are hearing, right? So we find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature. So this is mainly based on the temperature. कि हम डेली जो वेदर रिपोर्ट होता है उसमें हम कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है. सो देयर इज अ temperature. Then the other thing is humidity. Can anyone tell me what is humidity? Very easy. Humidity. Yes, Rana, Hit, chalo. बोलो बेटा, Hit. Yes, Hit, tell me. Okay, Sumit, where is Sumit? Yes, Sumit, tell me. What is that humidity?
Humidity is a measure of moisture in air.
Okay, it is a measure of moisture in air. Okay, water content in air, that is humidity. Okay, so about humidity, about temperature, about rainfall, okay, these all things you can hear whenever there is a weather report. Okay, on the in the television or on radio, sometimes you are hearing that. So they are predicting the weather for the day. Okay, so how the weather will be on that day. So they are predicting, that means in advance they are telling us about the that day's weather. Okay, so see here a sample of weather report is given in this figure 7.1. You can see दिया है ना बेटा. चलो क्या लिखा है उसमें, तो मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर, मैक्सिमम क्या है उसका टेम्परेचर 16.1 डिग्री. ओके, लिखा है मिनिमम 2.6 डिग्री सेल्सियस. वेरी गुड. The timing of approximately timing of sunset and sunrise, moonset, moonrise. Okay, so this is the sample of weather forecasting, weather report. Okay, so from this we are able to know about the weather of that day. The weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department. Meteorological department, that means जो weather forecasting करता है, बराबर, वेदर स्टडी करता है और उसको फोरकास्ट करता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. दिस डिपार्टमेंट कलेक्ट्स डेटा ऑन टेम्परेचर, विंड एक्सेट्रा एंड मेक्स द वेदर प्रेडिक्शन. वो प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं, मतलब इन एडवांस हमको बताते हैं कि विच टाइप ऑफ वेदर विल बी देयर ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? ओके, so this is the general information about the weather. So anyone have any confusion beta? Okay, fine. Okay, so here one activity is given. See what you have to do: cut out the weather reports of the last week from any newspaper. So in newspaper also you can see this type of report na. So you have to cut out that report. Okay, and what you have to do, in your copy you have to stick it. Understood? So no need to do this activity, but at least you go through this type of samples of weather reporting. So in newspaper, just you see, okay, this type of weather reporting. So then what you have to do, at least for a week or for 15 days, you have to collect this type of weather report. So there will be some change in weather, yes or no? Or the weather, daily weather will be same? There will be some changes na? Yes, the daily weather will be not same. चलो आज कब हो गया कि शाइनी डे है, बराबर, पूरी बहुत गर्मी है, बराबर, और मे बी आफ्टर 1 day or 2 day there is a cloudy atmosphere, cloudy weather, बराबर. आपको दिखता है कि सूरज आज दिखता ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल क्लाउडी हो गया है पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर, पूरा वेदर, राइट? सो द वेदर विल बी नॉट सेम every day. Understood? Maybe today's temperature will be 35 or 36, or after raining it will decrease by 4-5 degree. Understood everyone? So maybe today there is no wind, but after 2 days you can feel the wind, the heavy wind. Okay, so there is a change in weather. Everyday weather, there is a change. Understood everyone? Yes, Mukti, any problem you are having beta? Okay, fine. So here weather data of a week, 1 week, the observation of the weather. So you have to write the date, maximum temperature of that day, minimum temperature of that day. Okay, minimum humidity, then maximum humidity on that day, and rainfall in mm. So this table you have to make in your science notebook, beta, and at least the observation of 1 week you have to write. Understood, everyone? Okay, what is the handy source to get this all information? Can you tell me? You all are using, na? Okay, mobile. It is also the best source to get this data. But apart from this, you have to read newspaper and collect this data. Understood? Very good. Okay, at least you can go through the that news in television. Television में आप news देख के भी ये सब fill up कर सकते हो. Okay, just try to fill this information from newspaper and television, or finally you can make the table by using the mobile also. But first you have to read newspaper and collect this data. Okay. So this is the interesting activity. After a week, today which date is there? Today 15. Okay. So after a week, that means on 22nd, next Monday, you have to show me this this table. Okay. You have to show me the weather data of a week from 15th of September to 22nd of September. Understood, everyone? Will you fill or not? Okay, fine, fine. Chalo. Rainfall. In rainy season, there is rain, na? So, do you know which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Anyone? Yes, just a minute. Sumit. Chalo, bolo beta. Sumit, tell me.
Rain gauge.
Rain gauge. Very good. Okay. So it is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. So it is a cylinder type that instrument is there, and on the top there is a funnel. Okay, it will collect the rain, and in measuring cylinder you can measure the rainfall of that day. Okay, so क्या होगा बेटा, उसमें उस funnel में से rain collect होके वो cylinder में आएगा, and after a day, that means after 24 hours you can measure. वो measuring cylinder है, so numbers उस पे लिखे हुए हैं, आप easily measure कर सकते हो उससे. So finally you can measure the rainfall of that 24 hours. Okay. चलो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि सातों दिन, वीक के सातों दिन, दैट मीन्स आई हैव गिवन द एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम 15th of September to 22nd of September. In all this day, the minimum and maximum temperature will be same, humidity will be same, rainfall will be same, yes or no? No, same होगा. टेम्परेचर सेम होगा रोज का? नहीं होगा. ह्यूमिडिटी सेम होगी? नहीं होगी. रेनफॉल सेम होगा? नहीं होगा. ह्यूमिडिटी, यू नो ना व्हाट इज ह्यूमिडिटी? इन गुजराती यू आर टेलिंग भेज, राइट? बराबर. सो क्या होगा बोलो, अलग अलग होगा कि सेम होगा? इट विल बी डिफरेंट. ओके. So maybe sometimes it is happening. For example, 15th को temperature 34 था maximum, तो maybe the another day 17 को या 18 को या 19 को कभी भी maximum temperature 34 हो सकता है. It is possible, but daily same नहीं रहेगा बेटा. Okay. So consecutive 2 days, दो साथ साथ के जो दिन है, फॉर एग्जांपल 15 और 16, वो दोनों के भी पैरामीटर्स टेम्परेचर या ह्यूमिडिटी या रेनफॉल से डिफरेंट होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सो ओवर अ वीक देयर मे बी कंसिडरेबल वेरिएशन. सो पूरे वीक में बहुत सारी वेरिएशंस आएंगे. कभी एज होगा टेम्परेचर तो कभी 32 भी होगा, कभी 34 भी होगा, तो कभी मिनिमम 29 भी हो सकता है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सो यू हैव टू मेक maximum temperature record and minimum temperature record also. Understood everyone? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. Most important, underline it, and you have to write this in your science notebook. Okay, the lines which are given in bold letters. देख सकते हैं ना बेटा? What is weather? Okay, definition of weather you have to write in your science notebook. So the day-to-day condition, हर रोज की condition of the atmosphere, बराबर? day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place, किसी particular place की रोज की atmospheric condition. Okay, respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. क्या उस दिन का, उस टाइम का, उस जगह का टेम्परेचर कैसा है, ह्यूमिडिटी कैसी है, रेनफॉल कैसा है, विंड स्पीड कैसी है. ओके, so this all aspects you have to keep in your mind, and based on this the weather is decided for that particular place. Understood everyone? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. Understood everyone? Very easy. Okay. चलो, ये जो सब है ना बेटा, टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी और ये जो विंड स्पीड, रेनफॉल, दिस ऑल आर कॉल्ड these all factors are called elements of the weather. Okay, so if it is asked in your exam, what are the elements of the weather, so easily you can write temperature, humidity, okay, rainfall, wind speed. Okay, these all factors are called the elements of the weather. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. Okay, so see here, so weather change होता रहता है हर दिन, हर वीक, हर महीने, right? So it changes day to day. That is why we often say today's weather is too humid. Sometimes you are telling that today's weather is too humid, or today's weather is too hot. Okay, or you are saying that today's weather is rainy. Okay, today there will be rain. So how you can predict this? So from the weather. Okay, from the weather you are able to predict this कि आज रेन हो सकता है, आज बहुत गर्मी है, और या तो आज बहुत ही विंडी फील हो रहा है, right? So from weather we can tell this. Or the weather was warm last week. Also you can say that ना कि last week तो बहुत ही warm था, अभी थोड़ी ज्यादा कोल्ड आ रही है, बराबर? थोड़ा that moderate weather हो रहा है. Moderate that means not too much cold, not too much hot. अपन बोलते ना खुशनुमा, जो अच्छा लगता है जो weather. So like this we are saying because of the weather condition. Okay, the weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short period of time. Okay, so weather क्या है? एक complex phenomenon है कि जो time to time change होता रहता है, बराबर? It is changing time to time. Okay, so that means for long time the weather will not be same, right? Can I tell this? I am right. So for long time the weather cannot be same. It can happen sometimes that it is sunny in the morning, but suddenly clouds appear from nowhere and it starts raining heavily. होता है ना बेटा कभी ऐसा, अभी बहुत धूप लग रही है देखो आप, और ऐसा अचानक से हो जाता है कि शाम को एकदम क्लाउड्स दिखते हैं हमको, बराबर? क्लाउडी हो जाता है पूरा वेदर और हैवी रेनफॉल भी हो जाता है, बराबर? समटाइम्स वी आर फीलिंग दैट इन द मॉर्निंग थोड़ी ठंड रहती है, जब आफ्टरनून होता है तो बहुत गर्मी लगने लग जाती है, और इन द इवनिंग रेन होता है बेटा ऐसा, बराबर? सो दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ वेदर, change in weather. Okay, So now you understand very well what is weather. Okay, चलो, आपको कभी ऐसा हुआ है बेटा कि कभी आपने कुछ प्लान किया हो कि आज मुझे ऐसा करना है और सडनली बिकॉज ऑफ वेदर यू हैव टू चेंज योर स्केड्यूल? ऐसा हुआ है कभी? बोलो, कभी ऐसा होता है बेटा? एनीवन? और आपके घर में कुछ फंक्शन हो, कुछ भी अरेंज किया हो और बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर यू हैव टू चेंज द टाइम, यू हैव टू चेंज द डेट, ऐसा हुआ है कभी? यस, है ना, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है. वेरी गुड. Alex, please don't message me privately. Alex, please message in everyone. Okay, if you want to give the reply, message in everyone, beta, so everyone can read your answer very well. Okay, here weather is a complex phenomenon. बहुत ही अटपटा है, बहुत ही hard है ना. So it is not easy to predict. मतलब हम एडवांस में कभी कह सकते क्या? मैं कह सकती हूँ कल रेन होगा ही होगा. हाँ, होगा. चलो, आज बहुत ही ह्यूमिड एटमॉस्फेयर है, बहुत ही बादल, बहुत ही क्लाउडी एटमॉस्फेयर है. और कैन आई प्रेडिक्ट दैट टुमारो द वेदर विल बी सेम? टुमारो हैवी रेन होगा? आज के वेदर से मैं बोल सकती हूँ? नहीं, इट इज नॉट प्रेडिक्टेबल ना समटाइम्स, बिकॉज इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फिनोमेनन. हम नहीं बोल सकते, वेदर कभी भी चेंज हो सकता है, राइट? So here one graph is given. See here, maximum temperature recorded during 3rd August 2006 to 9th August 2006 at Shillong, Meghalaya. See here, graph is given. See, now easily you can understand. On 3rd August, चलो maximum temperature क्या था 3rd August का? See, 26 degree. Now 4th August, चलो नीचे क्या दिए बेटा? X axis पे आपको dates दी है. Or on the y-axis, temperature is given in Celsius. Understood everyone? So on 3rd August, the temperature is 26 degree. Chalo, on 4th August, the temperature is 23.5 degrees Celsius. Chalo, on 5th August, again it is increased and it reaches to 25 degrees Celsius. Very good. चलो, on 6th August कितना डिक्रीज हो गया टेम्परेचर? देखो कितना हो गया, 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 7th August क्या हुआ? फिर से कितना टेम्परेचर चला गया 7th को? 25.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अगेन on 8th August it is decreased and reaches to 8th August 23.3 degree Celsius. Very good. And on 9th August you can see 24.4 degree Celsius. So you can see the fluctuation in temperature from 3rd August to 9th August. देख सकते हो ना कितना वेरी है टेम्परेचर, रोज चेंज होता रहता है. Now easily you can understand how the weather condition is changed day by day. Okay. Okay, so now it is clear from any weather report the maximum and minimum temperatures are recorded every day. Okay, चलो, और ये रिकॉर्ड कैसे होता है आपको पता है? इट विल चल, आपने सीखा है ना कैसे रिकॉर्ड होता है? चैप्टर 4 में आपने सीखा है कैसे रिकॉर्ड होता है. बोलो टेम्परेचर. यू शुड नो बेटा, यू वेंट थ्रू दिस टॉपिक. क्या यूज होता है टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए? यस, आर्यन. आर्यन, चैप्टर 4 में आप बहुत अच्छे से सीखे हो. यस, ओके. थर्मोमीटर, आर्यन. यस,
laboratory thermometer.
okay, very good. Laboratory thermometer. Okay, and by using that you are able to note the minimum and maximum temperature of that place. Understood everyone? चलो, any problem up till here बेटा? कोई प्रॉब्लम है किसी को भी? Sure. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Yes. Yes, Arya, you have any problem, beta? Fine. Okay. So we went through the topic weather change होता रहता है, बराबर? But why? Why this is happening? Why weather changes so frequently? क्यों इतनी जल्दी change होता है? Okay. So we will see this in our next session. Okay, कि क्यों ऐसा चेंज आता रहता है, बराबर? But before that, so in chapter 4, as we discussed that you have learned about the special thermometers and its purposes. Okay, that means they are able to record minimum and maximum temperatures, as Aryan told us. Okay, so can you guess when there will be the maximum temperature in the day? चलो, maximum temperature कब होता है? Yes. Rana Hit, बोलो बेटा.
Afternoon.
Yes, बराबर. In the afternoon, the maximum temperature will be there, right? Or minimum, generally in the early morning, there will be the minimum temperature. मतलब during the day, in the afternoon, you can record the maximum temperature. Okay, the maximum temperature will be in the afternoon, and during the day, in the early morning, there will be minimum temperature. Understood? Right? So now easily you can say in the summer, in the afternoon, you are feeling too hot. Right? होता है ना ऐसे, बराबर? But in the early morning, in summer, early morning, what you feel? Comparatively, afternoon, what you will feel? Moderate temperature, right? Comfortable temperature you can feel in the early morning, in the summer. But in the afternoon, oh, so terrific, na? Right? So here we went through this topic, and in next session we will see how, why weather changes so frequently. इतनी जल्दी क्यों बदलता रहता है weather? Okay? So up till then, please keep learning, बेटा. थोड़ा reading करके रखना. Okay? Have a nice day, all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of your family, and thank you so much.